Teacher Writing Filipino. 10th place, Sandro Amante Aguilaor, National High School. School paper, Tillage Bulletin. Mary Ann Dato, Coach, Leonardo Espanyo, School Head. Ninth place, Ariam Sancho Aspitayo National High School, Alabanga, The Quest, Serena Aguilar, Advisor, Silvia Obia, School Head. Eighth place, Sandy Ibo Apilio National High School, The Rainbow, Irene Flores, Coach, William Villarreal, School Head. Seventh place is the Jano Lioness of Dominican School of Alabanga.
Kinakabahan na si Castro. Kinakabahan na si Kabayan.
The Dominican, Marife Manacob, Advisor, Sister Margarita Vergata, Coach, Filomena Vergara, School Head. Fifth place,